All right, we got a 2016 Cadillac SRX 3.6 liter with the front wheel drive. I'm going to be doing a rear wheel bearing, so just follow along. All right, well, that's already a fail. Let's go. Diagnosed this earlier, and what's nice about this is I do not have to torque the axle nut. Here is this. Oh, come get some. Let's put this back so it doesn't fall. I try to get these out as much as possible. I like doing them. I like saving them. All right, next thing we got to do, let's pop the caliper off. That's probably 18. It's an 18 millimeter. You can't see that inner one, but just a couple ugga-duggas. Should be able to get them free. Once I break them free, I switch over to an electric tool. This. Okay, there's that. I'll use this hook. Don't let your caliper hang by the brake hose. Okay, get that out of the way. Here's my hammer. Just pop that free. What we'll do also, while we have it right there, here it is. I like to just clean that. Just makes it nicer going back together. Let's make some room. All right, so we got to get this thing out of here. Let's use 18 millimeter. All right, the home bolts are 18 millimeters as well. There's one over here. Like I said, this one's nice because it doesn't have the axle in the back. There's 3 of them. Oh, good. Oh, caught me a marlin. Okay, I'll go in here. Let's have the room. Let's rip these out. Okay, well, that's unfortunate. Let's switch to a smaller ratchet then. So sometimes the bolts with Loctite, they don't allow the electric ratchets. Did I just say ratchets? I think I did. They don't allow them to come all that freely. They have Loctite on them. Okay. But me being strong dude that I am, got some Loctite on them. I mean, pulley over there is making a lot of racket. You better get that thing done. Because you guys can't hear. Oh man, I'm so strong. Look at this, how strong it is. Oh, it's already loose. Nice. Oh, so strong. All right. Oh, are you serious? Okay, all right, I'm back. Let's go. All right, let's see. All right, got the final one out. Now, let's see if there are any all right, so there is a speed sensor in there. I'm wondering if I should take that out, but I can't get to it without taking this thing off. So I guess it doesn't really matter on this one. So the tone ring would read against this, or the speed sensor. But it looks like, oh, this was in the back. That's sick. Okay. We're gonna use this. Actually, this one's not bad because I can just get this in here. Just watch that speed sensor. Just watch this right here. Just don't go hog dog on it. Yeah, this is beautiful. Okay. As long as you don't go hog dog on it. Buck wild crazy. Let's use this. Okay, remember to wear eye protection. We're just gonna blow this off. Just get some dust. Keep the dust down. We're gonna use, here's the new bearing, and always confirm this looks about the same. It's got the tone ring. Okay, we're okay. Put a little grease on here, just for aiding of install. There's no axle going through this, so I don't have to worry about lubricating the splines, but it does look like this goes into there, so I'll put that back in afterward. All right, now, so this was still being held on by the cable, and just by cleaning up that rust. Better stay there, you bad boy. All right, I'm gonna get some Loctite for these. General rule of thumb for me is if I see Loctite coming off, I put Loctite back on. But if not, if I feel like it's something that needs Loctite, I will go and look it up to see if it calls for it. But okay, these go back here. Let's do one at a time. Right, there's one. There's two. There's three. Okay, let's put this. Oh. Alright, there's another bearing there. Let's wind these in. Okay, we're going to torque these to manufacturer's specifications. Okay, now off camera, I'm going to go back through and torque these to manufacturer specs. Okay. Ooh, she's a beaut. Just for ease of install. Let's put a little grease on there. This goes through the back, protects the speed sensor. There we go. Oh, it just comes out there. Beautiful. That's nice and quiet. We already cleaned the rotor. Let's put this on here. Just be careful of fingerprints and stuff. If you get them on there, just clean them off. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. Beautiful. Okay, let's put the rotor keeper back in. Put this on there. Put the keeper underneath the gun. I'm gonna do this. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Put this on there. This is for the, I'm a huge proponent, especially here in the Northeast. I'm a huge proponent, I'm a huge advocate for grease on the hubs and stuff. because it keeps the corrosion down for the wheel against the wheel bearing. Okay, let's get this out of here. Put this back. Put this on. Oops, I just bumped you. Sorry. Okay, got that one started. There's this and this. We're gonna get locked in right now. There's one. There's two. And we're gonna torque this to manufacturer spec. You will see this one though. So we'll go there. You will see this one. You just don't see them all. That's all. Okay, let's go. That one. I missed the bolt. I went to go torque and I missed it. Here we go. Click. Oh my gosh, what are they doing over there? It's so noisy. Right. Nope, I missed. Could any more things fall? Let's see. Okay. Boom. Here we go. I'm not fooling around anymore. There we go. Manufacturer's spec. That's noisier than I would like. Tweak this. Okay. Oh, better. All right. That's a rear wheel bearing. Done.